In this video, I'm gonna show you guys, I already showed you how to how to cut the cross sections, but I need to show you how to have a separate model for the existing right-of-way lines so they can appear here. Just a summary about this. This is a perfect example. To have this cross section or like a slice of cake, you need to model the existing features as part of this. All the existing feature here it's dashed, that's the existing pavement, and also model the existing utilities. As you see them, they appeared here, and that's existing sidewalk, existing driveway. And also on top of this, you're gonna add your proposed model, which should appear here. So far it's work in progress, we did not finish it, as you see, still playing with it. But I just want you to think of it as layers of cake, because everything is on top of each other, and that's how you slice it. Take you back to the default. Ooh. It's gonna take a while. Okay. Here we go. As you see, this is your cake, and this is the slices of cake, which are the cross sections. And as you see, it's literally crossing on top of them. This is the existing utilities, a pipe, whatever God is, and conduits and everything. All those need to be added on top of each other, including the right-of-way model. Let me show you what I have here. And this is what I have. I have, like I said, existing drainage, and also the existing utilities, and also existing right-of-way, which is this file, which is what we're gonna make here, what we're gonna make right now. And of course, on top of that, we have these are the proposed. But this video is to show you how to transfer this line to make it appear in 3D. Let me show you an example here. Okay, yeah. So first thing first, you need to create a file. Go to create a file. It's right away. No, not right away. Hold on, what's this? Oh wow, I've never seen this. Yeah, I guess this is for... Okay, here, and then go to the design file, and then we have this, the right-of-way detail. Is that the right one? RWDTRD. Yep, that's the one. Make sure you pick your county. This is in Hillsburg, so let's do that. Okay, we have the file. So now let's attach what we need. Of course, we're gonna need the alignment. And then we're gonna need the survey. Where is this coming from? Where's the right-of-way coming from? It's coming from the survey, so we're gonna add it here. And also, I'm gonna add the GDTM, which I'm gonna make a file how to do this, which is basically we extracted the GDTM, as you see it here, we extracted it from the survey as in separate file, which is good to go, which is great because it make your workflow with 3D layers faster. Like instead, like this is the survey file. Let me turn off GDTM. This is the survey file. It's huge. Instead of adding the survey file, which I have the DTM turned off. So every time you want to use the GDTM, you should not just like attach the survey file. We can actually extract this to have it as a separate file. I will make that in a different video, but it's not that hard. It's really easy. So that's why I turned it off from the survey, because I'm gonna use it from here, from the GDTM. But for now, let's turn off also the alignment, because now let's do, well, before we do that, let me activate the GDTM, because we need to tell this file that we have an elevation. We're just gonna activate the terrain model. It's the first step. And the moment you activate it, the moment ORD will create a 3D model for you inside this 2D DGN. Here we go. Now you see this is flying in the air. So we have it now. Let's go back again here. Close this. So I'm gonna turn off the GDTM for now. I'm gonna turn on the survey, because we're gonna extract the right away from it. So there are multiple ways of doing it. DOT, they have their own way, but I'm actually gonna show you both ways, and you decide what works for you. So you can actually do level off like this, turn off this, turn off this. Did it turn it off from everywhere? Okay, it turned off. And then after that, let's get back again. Where's the level display? Yes. So go to survey. As you see, I turned them off. I'm just gonna invert on off. So it turned off everything and it only left the right away. You can literally just copy them, highlight, and then use the copy tool. But copy it on top of it so it can be on the same. And then let's turn off the survey, because we don't need it anymore. We can actually take it out. Ta-da, we copied it to the file. So that's the first step. That's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is, I'm gonna delete it. This is what DOT recommend. They have a tool here. Where is it? Oh God. I need to remember, where is it? Probably here somewhere, right? No, it's not here. Where is it? I need to remember that. Is it in the survey? Yeah, I think so. Well, I'm gonna pause the video for a second because I forgot where's that tool, because they have a tool to do that. So give me a second. Okay, we are back. So this is where I got the tool from. It's from this document. That's the tool I'm talking about. It's called copy reference file level. And where I got this from, I mean, you can go if you want to watch the whole thing. DOT, they have PDF and they have series of videos too, showing you all that. Just go to FDOTConnect existing model, and it's in the FDOTConnect training. Okay, so we have the tool. Let me get this here. Okay, yes, the tool, yeah, it's like I thought it's actually here. But it's called copy reference level. Oh, okay, cool. That's, you see, something went wrong, because unfortunately, this tool, God, DOT, they're sometimes a little bit strict in what they want their tools to work, but I understand why. So I'm going to show you what I missed to do. So when I attached this the survey file, I should have added the logic name to it. I did not do that. So double click on it and write the logic name, ROW. That's it. So now let's fire up the tool. Come on, really? Huh? Okay. Okay, Miss Thing. She's mad. I'm gonna deattach it and attach it again. How about that? Let's go back to survey. Let's attach our survey. And let's type the logic name. So now we have the logic name. So now let's try to fire up the tool. Damn! Logic name of the reference file is not set. Please add logic name. Girl, I did! Oh my god, wow. Seriously? I have the logic name. Are you kidding me? God almighty. Or maybe I should have attached the logic name before actually making the 3D. I mean, activating the terrain. Maybe that's it. Oh god. Ugh. You know what? This is why I showed you my way was faster. So, should I do my way or should I do their way? You know what? I'm doing my way. If you guys want to know their way, because I think I know what's going on. Here, you first, when you create the file, you attach the reference and you do the logic name. And then you fire up the tool. You literally select the two levels, like what I did from here with level display. And I copied them manually. That's what the tool do. And then after that you have them. It's that simple. But you know what? I'm gonna do it my way. Or I shouldn't. You know what? Ugh. Okay, I'm gonna do it your way, DOT. Create another freaking file. But if it's not working this time, I'm not. So I'm just gonna try it from scratch. Because that's the problem with when you have rules you need to follow and you do your own. It's different. So let's add the survey first. And let's give it a freaking logic name right now. Now let's fire up the tool. You see, now it's working. God dang it. Okay, let's find our right-of-ways. Okay, we have this, the LA right-of-way for the ramps. And we also need the regular right-of-way. Yeah, what's the regular right-of-way name? Hold on, let me close this. It's the level. Okay, it's right-of-way line AP, and this one LA right-of-way. So got it. So let's get this. Like seriously, I don't know why DOT is doing this, but I'm sure they have their own reasoning that I do not understand. But when it comes to CAD, I always say there are multiple ways of doing everything. And then copy. Are you sure? Yes. Perfect. So now I can just take out the survey. And we have these here copied. So why do I have to go through this when I told you you can just turn off and highlight them and copy them by yourself? Okay, anyway, let's go back to the video. So now what we need to do is we need to make this as a chain. So, draw production, drawing. Create a complex chain. So let's start with LA right away. So this is not LA, this is the typical, this is LA. So we're just gonna connect the LA together. And then accept. Oh no, I forgot. Oopsie. Haha. Let's go back. I need to smart match. Because I'm actually telling it like this. So when you complex it, it will make it the same level. Okay, perfect. And then let's complex these. And then let's complex these. And then let's complex these. Okay, so now we have these complex, and because I'm a hard-headed human, I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna use my method on some of them, which is, I think it's faster. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work or not. Okay. Really, ORD? It's just attaching a file and you're telling me not responding? Oh, I guess because I'm being hard-headed, right? Okay, thank you, hallelujah. Okay, my way. Invert. Ooh. Oh no, I forgot. They're already here. Let's click on this. Level off. Because I'm only gonna copy those. And then let's go back again. By the way, you guys, if you ever have one of these just disappeared and you don't know what it is, they have a button here. It's usually have a house here. It's called Windows List. When you get it, you will bring everything that you need. If it's stuck, if it's hidden, I'm sure that happened to some of y'all someday. Especially, for example, this. When you have this floating and just out of the blue, this disappear. When it disappears, just go here. You usually have a home. Double click on it and it will show you all the windows that you have on. Okay, so let's go back. Where's the reference? What did I do? Okay, so survey, invert. So my way, right? Copy this, copy this, copy this, copy this, copy this. Or I could just select it like this and then select these. Yep, so these I'm gonna copy. Okay, we copied them to the file. Take out the survey. Okay, so let's complex, smart match first. Now let's complex this and this and this. Oh, what did I do? Nope, oopsie. Because these are like just laying like this. Okay, and then this separate. And then complex this. And then complex this with this. I don't know why the surveyors don't complex this stuff in their file. I guess they're not paid enough to do that. Okay, so you see now they are complexed. So, well, now let's attach feature definition to them. So now if I select this, you see here, they are just a complex chain, bunch of lines complex together. They need a feature definition. Go to geometry and then go here and then set a feature definition. Then go to feature type, select linear, and then after that you go to feature definition. Oh my god, you're gonna have a lot of things. Go to linear and then roadway design and then right of way items and select the limited access right away, LA right away. I call it LA right away. So we can actually select multiple ones. Let me just do it into one shot, because we like to save time, right? So our employers will be happy that we're not wasting time playing. Ha 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 ha. Okay, so I selected them, like I said, set a feature definition. As you see here, it's showing you selected 4. So I wanted to just telling you data, 4 selected. I read what's here is telling you, okay, accept, that's it. I added it to them. Now you see I have this box here, feature definition. This one also have the feature definition. So then let's select the usual right away. They just RW, no LA, not special. Okay, and then go back again to the tool. Set a feature definition. We need existing right away, right? Yes, right of way of line existing. And they also have proposed to, and they have the easement. So it's the same. But this is right away line existing. Pay attention, we selected 6, click, yes, that's it. Now all of them have that. All of them have this feature definition, perfecto. Now we need to make this 3D. Because remember, I recreated the file, so I need to add again the GDTM. So I'm going to show you how to do it too. It's not that hard. Okay. I know DOT they said, I did it before without that, but I know DOT they said when you attach the GDTM, you need to give it a logic name called GDTM. Really? Oh my god, my dyslexia is working live. GDTM, golly. GDTM. I did it before without and it's working, but anyway. So let's click on it. Let's make it active. And now let's get ready for the magic. Okay, as you see now we have it because there are elevations here. Now we need to make these appear here. So it's as easy as literally just making them active. Oh god. Which is called add the existing ground to a profile. Why do you call it like that? Okay, give me a second. Okay, sorry about that. So that's what we need to do. It's gonna be a little bit cheeky. So let's start with this one. I mean, so far this one have a feature definition, but we basically need to connect it to this. I guess to make it have a feature, have a profile, I guess. I still do not know what that is. Because I think I know it from... the thing is, my terminology is different from some people, but it's okay. So you basically just select on it to make it active. And then, as you see here, it appeared here. That's it. That's it. That's all we need. And as you can see, it's active and it's dependent on the active profile servers, which is coming from the GDTM. So that's what you need to do. And we have to do it for all of them. And then set it active. And as you see here, it also appeared. By the way, the yellow line is like how it's represented in the 3D. But what I'm doing is I'm just hovering over it and clicking on open a profile. Come in here. You can do it also another way. Yeah, let's do it another way. So I just activated these three now. Huh. Let's do this. Let's do a profile and a 3D view. Make our life easier. Damn, what you thinking about? Okay. So we got this, so now let's make this. Like I said, just hover over it. Doesn't want to do it now. Kidding me. Let's make it active. As you see, it appeared here, it's active. Oh god. I'm more worried about these here. Now we have this. And then set as active. And then let's do this one too. And then I'm gonna do the ones that I use without my without DOT extraction tool. And we're gonna see if it's working or not. So this one. As you see, it's like it's nothing here because it's coming outside. That's why. Let's just make sure it showed. Okay, it showed perfecto. And then this one. I'm not gonna do all of them because it's redundant. I just wanted to show you that it's working. You just need to do that for all of them. I guess I will do all of them. Duh. Okay. Okay, we are done. That's it. So let's test it now. Let's see if it's gonna appear or not. Let's only do 2. And for OCD, let's save setting. We need to do that. And then let's attach my alignment. Because I'm going to use the dynamic view tool and I'm going to need an alignment for that. Damn, why is it slow like this? No, oh my god. Look how silly I am. I attached the aerial. Oh my god, I'm so dummy sometimes. Okay, let's use this one. Ay, ay. Okay, now we have the alignment, so let's go to corridor. Where's corridor? And we have this tool here. Create cross-section view. You can do it if you have a corridor or alignment. So now I'm just doing it with the alignment, but I want to do it here. Because I want these two to show in 3D. The LA and classic one. So I'm going to select this alignment. And then go minus 200. My 200. Yee. Look at this. So cool. Pew. 50 interval. Cool. And then it tell you open a view. Let's open this. Damn, it didn't show. Is it because the, oh golly, let me see if the alignment actually active. I know it is because I did it before. Yes. Okay, so let's do it again. Let's check the tool. Yeah, why are we going that far? Let's just go 60. Minus 60. And then here, 60. And then interval, let's just do 10. Okay, I need more than 60, so let's just do minus 80. And then 80. Here we go. This mother tucker. Let me make this big. Ugh. Here we go. Now they are appearing, as you see. But the gag is, oh god, the gag is if I moved back and I went back, this dynamic will just lose that. It doesn't show. So don't freak out. That doesn't mean that you didn't do the right work, because the right work is here. You see the yellow line? These are representation of the 2D, 3D, but these the 3D representation. These are already here. So let me show you what I mean. Let's do it again. The problem is this view dynamic, especially with the right away, it only show them for the first time. Let me actually go, you know what, minus 100. You just show them for like the first second and then they just disappear, but they are there. Oh, what did I do? One of them is supposed to be 100. Okay, yes. Because L minus right positive. Open a view. See, it did not capture it here. The problem is because of this dynamic tool, it just, ugh. Sometimes it does it, sometimes it does not. But you know what? I'm gonna try something I never tried, but let's just do that now. I mean, just to test it again. I know they are there because the yellow lines are there. They are there. It's just with this tool, it's a little bit iffy. Shall we cut a cross section? Shall we go crazy and do that? Why not? Let's do that. Let's cut a lovely cross section. Where we want? I want my cake here to be cut. This is enough. Okay. I cut them. Here we go. Now we have our cross section. So what I want to do is right now is go back to here. Oh god, where are you? You see, they didn't appear. They are already here, but I feel like sometimes it's slow. It takes time. Ugh, let's pray to heavens. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's go back. You see, now they appear. You see? Come on. Ugh. Anyway, let's just create a drawing of that. Create cross-section drawing. By the way, this is not recommended. You should actually do this in your cross-section file, but I'm just doing this just to show you that they are actually there. They just don't appear. Ugh. Anyway, here we go. You see? You see, Miss Thing? let's go to the first one. Haha, that's what I wanted. Here we go. See, the existing right away, LA, and the one that I created from copy. So they are there. So the moral of the story, this is a great guide from DOT to follow, but there's always another way, faster way to do everything. And I guess you just need to be expert to do that. But for beginners, this is Bible, follow this. Because when you follow stuff like this here, you get, with experience, you get to become like me and actually know, oh, okay, yeah, this is a shortcut. I shouldn't do that. I shouldn't use their tool. But I'm one of those people that I ask why, and I like to study their tools. And the moment that I saw that tool, I'm like, what is this tool is doing? This tool, it's literally called copy. It's just copying. So if you copied it manually, it will be even faster. And that's how to make a right-away file. And of course, do not do as I did. Make sheets here. Don't do that. Just leave it clean and ready, and then go attach it to your cross-section file. And in your cross-section file, like I said, is like layers of cake. Existing geometry, existing utilities, proposed geometry, right away existing or right away, all of them are layers to be added, and all of them are models to be added, and then cut your cross section. Yeah. I hope this video helped someone somewhere out there. Thank you for listening and have a blessed day.